these urinals, they have a lot of electronics inside for automatic flushing, because there are a lot of them are, most of them are in public areas. So we build also these electronic parts inside. And of course, every piece is functionally tested as well afterwards with water to make sure it's really flushing well and the electronics are working correctly. We have a quality assurance department that is taking random samples from my production area, but also they are doing incoming control, because this warehouse that we have here is for all products of the group that are sold in Switzerland. So they are testing here all the different aspects. If it's technical controls, means dimensions, but also functionality. So here we have testing area. You can see different tanks, different cisterns for testing the toilets with different volumes of water, the different types. All sorts of competition products. But I think you will do it. Morgen.